Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a little fall haul from Temu. I'm very excited. I have this little guy behind me. He's from Temu as well. He's all I have for fall decor out right now because I have not decorated for fall yet. But that's okay. That's partially what this haul is going to help with. So without further ado, let's see what cute finds from Temu. All right, the first one I'm going to pull out of here because it was shipped separately for some reason. Here it is. The box is a little, oh my gosh. It is this cute little ghost candle. Look how cute it is. I honestly don't think I would ever burn this, but like sitting out with another candle or next to some plants or something, I don't know yet. Okay, it was $2.78 and they come in other like shapes and stuff within the same listing, but he was my favorite, so got him. Moving on. Oh my gosh, how cute. It is, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Okay, so it's this glass mug kind of thing, and it even comes with a glass straw. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I will 1000% be using this a ton. So it is so freaking cute. And this color is like my fall color. I'm obsessed with it, and that's kind of like the theme that I go with. Instead of like a bunch of oranges and stuff like that, I love this like muted greenish, like minty green kind of color. So this was $8.81. I can't stand it. Okay, success. Okay, I'm so excited for these. I think I accidentally ordered this twice. With little ghosts on them. How freaking cute. Yes, I'm wearing green sweatpants with this outfit. It does not go. Oh my gosh, they fit. These are freaking cute. There were two different listings, but the same exact shoe. Like, this is one listing for $5.19. This is a size 8.5 to 9, which I'm usually like an 8.5, and it fits really well. And then this other one is also an 8.5 to 9. Same exact price, but a different listing. The outside just feels kind of like that Sherpa-y material, but then the inside is soft. And they do have a little bit of a plush, like it's not just flat. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be wearing these. So I've been wearing these like crazy, which I got in my last Temu versus Shein haul. And I kept the ones from Temu. I wear the crap out of these. I mean, 24/7. But now I'm going to be wearing these. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Ooh. Success. These are going back. Don't need two pairs. Next is a pillow cover. Oh my gosh, this is soft. How freaking cute. Stop it right now. So it's kind of like a ivory pillowcase cover with white, I almost said snowman, ghosts. Look how cute that is. It is so soft too. Oh my gosh. Okay, this was $6.77, and the one I got was an 18 by 18 inch, but they have other sizes and other patterns. Next, okay, I never change my phone case because I have the type of phone case that is like a wallet too, but I thought it would be cute to have another one. So it's these little ghosts with the pretty flowers and stuff on it too. This one was $1.60. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my word, it's adorable. Let's move on. It is this little cropped t-shirt. It's real short. It is a skeleton sipping hot coffee. I thought this would just be a cute like gym cover up or something. It's not like the best quality. $6 for this is really not bad at all. You can tell this is just like an ironed on thing, but for these types of clothing items, if you want them, like if you still like them and want to keep them, when you wash them, just wash them inside out. Help protect the press on. This is so freaking cute. I'm gonna have to try it on. Hopefully it fits and looks cute. Okay, next. These were $3.10. Really are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was thinking to replace this eucalyptus I have in this vase, do this for the fall season, and they have these in multiple different colors too. You can tell they're on the cheaper side, but this does not matter. Like, you put them in a vase and then you're good. So I'm excited. These are cute. If you know me and you know anything about me, one of the things that I'm known for is my mug collection. I have a gigantic problem with collecting mugs. That's not gonna stop anytime soon. It has white witch on the little coffee cup. It's like a cauldron. I just thought this was cute. It's not very, very big. At the same time, you don't need it to be super big. It just depends on like what you drink, I guess. But I also just thought this would be cute to have on our little coffee station and like on the mug rack in there. But I just thought it was cute, festive. $7.43, and it's like a really good quality and everything. Like not cheap, anything like that. Next, another pillow cover. So it's for a long pillow. It's so cute. I've really come to love these little ghosts decor pieces. They're just so cute. I am a pumpkin girly, and not in the sense that I need my pumpkin spice latte. I hate the pumpkin flavor. Okay, let me just say that right now. But as far as decorating and stuff, I have a collection of pumpkins. So if you watch my fall decorate with me, you're gonna see I have a ton of pumpkins. But I gotta say, ghosts have entered the chat. Okay, they are kind of becoming a thing too because they're just so freaking cute. These are Halloween. These are not like fall, they're Halloween. So if you prefer one aesthetic over the other, that can be part of it. But I think this is a good way to incorporate both because I don't want to like just decorate for Halloween, but this is just, I love it. And it's so freaking soft. $6.97. And this also comes in other shapes, other colors. Next, look at this little guy. Oh my gosh. He is so freaking cute. He was $7.07. I think the other one was holding like a little pink pumpkin. So like they're both cute, but it's a little bat. Adorable. Now I know they're two different things, but they're very similar in size. $2, $7. So if you're looking for specific things for specific places, this could be exactly what you need and what you've been looking for. So if that's the case, it's really good quality, nothing wrong with him. He's adorable. Next, look how cute. There's these little black bats that can just be great for putting in little spots that just need a little something. They can just sit on the I'm thinking this would be cute around the coffee table or on the coffee cart. $6.57 for these two. I don't think that's bad. Little wooden things, good quality. Like they're not gonna fall apart on you. And I'm excited to find out where I'm gonna put these. Next. Okay, I got Halloween nails, okay? They were $1.98, so like super cheap, and they're really cute. They're not easy to see right now, but there's a picture of them on the screen. I don't think you can go wrong when they're this cheap, even if they only last like a couple days. It's still fun. Next, shut up. Is this what I think it is? They're 10 times smaller than I thought they were going to be. I guess I should have read how big they were, but $8.55, this 3-piece like candle holder set. Here's my problem. So look how freaking short they are. There's only 2 rods in here. There's supposed to be 3. There's even 3 bases and 3 heads. That's a no-go for $8.55. It's not like crazy expensive, but it's too expensive for how small these are. So yeah, I don't recommend these. This was a flop. Maybe there are more. There's a big gap in it, so maybe there's a third one in the bag somewhere. We'll see. That to the side, shall we? Next, this is a sweatshirt. I have no idea how good it's gonna be. Oh my gosh, that's cute. It says, oh sheet. Okay, it was $8.79. It is pretty cute. It's not sweatshirt material, that's for sure, but it's not bad. It's like has a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. The inside, like it's not soft or anything, but it's not like scratchy. It's just a basic kind of like pullover. I just love funny little things and funny little puns. So this is cute. Oh sheet. And I love the green. Okay, you know how people like have been having these types of just like natural colored beads that they just put like on books or coffee table, stuff like that. I have a Halloween themed. It says boo for crying out loud. And it has little ghosts on it. How freaking cute. This is definitely a ghost themed haul. It's just like made out of wood. I have to say, I don't think this was worth $4, but it's fine. It's still really cute and adorable. Next, for $2.48, there are these little ghosts again. I know, shocker, straw covers. They're so cute. I do like straw covers, I will say, especially after seeing like terrible footage of spiders and stuff getting into your straws. I'm just not for that. So he's so freaking cute. It's a little big for this straw because this is a small straw, but adorable. And you get 4 of them for like $2. One has little hands and one doesn't. And there, you can tell they are a little different. Maybe I can give 2 of these to my sister-in-law or something. But next, okay, it's a mug. Shocker. Comes with a little gold spoon. So cute. Here it is. Look at it. It's that viral ghost mug from like last year. I do have one, but he needed a buddy, okay? He's so cute, great size, great feel. This was $13.29, which is kind of annoying because I went and visited South Carolina last weekend. I saw one of these at TJ Maxx and I'm sure it was like $6, $6 to $8. That's how much their mugs usually are. And I could have got that instead of this $13 one. I just think they're so precious and I'm obsessed with mugs. There's one more little thing. It's really stupid. Oh, I think I found it. Just fun little accessories, okay? Little things to help make you smile. That's what this life is about, right? Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is that? So it's like phone jewelry, okay? And it's so cute. Like that's just one of those things that like when you're on your phone and stuff, it's gonna make you smile, you know? It was $1.50 too. Okay, so like it could probably be less than $1. But adorable. What has come over me? I don't know. So yeah, I believe that's everything in this haul. I have the Temu haul, the other Temu haul is gonna be coming up soon as well. But yeah, let me know what your favorite thing was in this haul. I think maybe the pillows or like this is my favorite. I don't even know, but a lot of cute things. And yeah, I was happy with this. So thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.